Johanna. Welcome back to my 15-minute journal page challenge. In today's video, I have another super simple page idea for you to try. So for today's page idea, we're going to be making a page that is sectioned. And to do that, you may want a ruler and a pen. I've obviously set my timer to 15 minutes or less. And today's idea is to do a grid. So basically what I mean by that is to take a page and divide it into however many sections you like, and they can really be whatever shapes you like. I'm doing squares like a grid, but you could section it off into rectangles or triangles or circles. You can do whatever you want. But the idea is to make sections on a page and then to fill them up with things. So you can fill them up with pattern papers, scraps of papers like what I'm doing. You can also fill them up with journaling. You can fill them up with quotes, photos, painting, drawing. You can stick ephemera in there. You can do fingerprints. You could do whatever you like in the grids. What I did was just pull out some scraps of paper and then trim them down so that they would fit into each little section. And I filled up most of the sections with scraps of paper. And then with whatever sections I had left, I filled them in with pens. So I think I did a little bit of journaling and a couple of quotes. The ideas for this page is pretty limitless. Like, you can combine ideas together to come up with a really interesting page, or you can try different variations. So you could fill every section up with your favorite pattern papers from a project you just did. You could fill them up with fabric. You could put a photo of all your friends in each section. You could answer a prompt in each section, write a list. There's really a lot of different ways you could approach this page. But like I said, the basic gist of it is just to take a page in your journal and divide it into sections in some kind of way. You can do it the same way that I have or differently. And once you've done that, to go ahead and fill those spaces up with something that you like. I tried to keep all of the page ideas in this series super duper simple. I also tried to keep them quite open-ended as well. So I want you to take that idea or that prompt and to put your own spin on it and to leave it really open to interpretation, so that everybody's page will be a little bit different, but to give you enough ideas to get you started to do a page every day that's going to be quick and easy. I also added in some washi tape, cut apart some scraps of vintage paper and some scraps of pattern paper, some wrapping paper. I stapled things on, and then once I was pretty happy with how the grid was looking, I took some tiny word stickers to decorate some of the boxes just to make it look a little bit more interesting. And then with the remaining two boxes, I added a little bit of writing, so some quotes, and I think I put a list. This is a pretty fun way to fill a page in your journal. I really enjoyed the challenge, and if I had more time, I feel like I could have gotten a lot more intricate with this. Like, you could have added interactive bits like little pockets or fold outs. So the ideas for this are pretty limitless. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. If you decide to do a page and you share it on Instagram, hashtag 15-minute journal challenge so that I can see what you do. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next page idea.